All right, so let's get into boat pose. Coming onto your bottoms, knees are bent, feet are flat on the floor. Starting with our legs together, or if you need a little bit more space, you're more than welcome to take the feet a little bit wider if you need to. Your choice. Hands are gonna come underneath the knees. Pull yourself up. Get a nice long flat back here, okay? Shoulders down away from the ears. Draw the elbows in. So from here, shift the weight back a little bit, keeping the back nice and flat still, and then maybe you come up onto the tippy toes. Maybe you start to feel the core fire up a little bit. So if this is enough for you, you're more than welcome to stay here. Or if you'd like to take it up a notch, start to lift the feet and bring the shins parallel to the floor, your mat. Okay, hands can remain underneath the knees for a little extra support if you need to. Or if you'd like to join me, take the arms out to the side, palms facing in. Fire up that core even more. Woo! Keep drawing the belly button in, shoulders down away from the ears. Nice long flat back here. I know you're gonna wanna round the back. That kind of helps take some of the work out of the core, but that's not what we're doing here. We wanna work the core. So come up, flat back, shoulders down. Work those cores, guys. So if you wanna get into full boat pose here, okay, all you're gonna do, you can start to straighten the legs out. If you need to, hands can come underneath the knees as well. Help you get that nice flat back again. Or challenge your core more, bring the hands out to the side. Your choice. So not only here are you working the core, you're working the legs as well. Inner thighs are engaged, calves are engaged. Breathe. Bend your knees, release your feet down. Hands back behind you. Take your feet as wide as your mat. Start to drop the knees to the right and over to the left. Shake it out. So that's boat pose, guys. Hope you enjoy.